ensure your business has the best possible chance of being in front of the right people every day. And then you can convert those interested people into customers. There's 3 parts to your campaign structure. There's your campaigns, your ad sets, and your ads. So here in your overview, you're going to be able to set up your default metrics of what you want to see as soon as you open up the AdWords application. And it's critical that when people are interested in your products or your services, that they're able to quickly get a sense of trust. The final part of the 4 foundations of marketing is your website, your online storefront. And for many new customers, this will be the first time that they will engage with your business. So some of the most important things to keep in mind on your website for mobile views is that you want your phone number to be clickable. This is really where that research part comes in. So what you need to think about is your target audience, okay? And it's about understanding them, because each demographic will have a preferred social media network.